My name is Gretchen Hollenbaugh. I'm a senior application engineer. My team focuses on heavy-duty vehicles for markets like mining, agriculture, and construction. I'll be demonstrating the Bearing Periodic Frequencies tool. The Bearing Periodic Frequencies tool calculates bearing frequencies for specific part numbers. It calculates fundamental frequencies for different bearing components based on geometry, as well as periodic frequencies based on operating speed. The benefit of the Bearing Periodic Frequencies tool is that understanding the frequencies of the bearings in your system can help with equipment health monitoring, as well as identifying potential damage modes. To begin, you will first enter your bearing part number in preferred units, then click Lookup. From here, you can select your bearing from the list of potential assemblies. Click Done, and then enter your operating speed, and then click Calculate. The results will appear below the search bar. The first set of results shown are the fundamental frequencies based on bearing geometry. This includes the roller pass frequency for both the inner and outer ring, the roller spin frequency, and the fundamental train frequency for both the inner and outer ring. Below that, the next set of results are the periodic frequencies based on rotational speed. This shows you the frequencies of eccentricity, irregularities for each bearing component, and ball or roller size variations. The comments column in this section is helpful because it describes how each of these frequencies is calculated using the bearing fundamental frequencies. From here, if we scroll down further, we're also given relative speeds of the different bearing components and some information on calculating additional harmonics and modulations. For additional details on bearing periodic frequencies and how to interpret and apply your results, don't forget to check out the help guide linked at the top of the page. I hope this demo helps. For access to the Bearing Periodic Frequencies tool or any of Timken's engineering tools, visit engineering.timken.com.